Actress Rania Rao, who has now been arrested, but the investigators are looking at a larger gold smuggling nexus, especially at the airport. Airport authorities have tightened security following the case. Protocol staff are now absent from the international arrival section. Basically, the VIP and VVIP guests are no longer receiving the usual greeting and assistance from protocol, which usually meant that they could just evade any security. VIP check-in privileges for family members and children have been restricted. So, of course, if there is a specific VIP and with security concerns, that, of course, is being addressed. But if the family members are expecting a certain VVIP entitlement, that is being restricted. There could, of course, be a case-to-case look that the authorities will look at. But remember, rich and influential passengers and their family members expecting VVIP entry, which basically means that they'll evade security checks, easier time that they can reach to their airport aircrafts, and protocol officials have now facilitated specific entry. So there are changes that are happening. But remember, it has brought attention on this woman. The gold bars on your screen that have been seized, that were taped to her waist, that were attached in her modified jacket. There was a constable with her saying she's a top cop's daughter. You need not do security check for her. Only to realize that one of the reasons she was trying to evade security checks was because of the number of gold bars attached to her waist that she was smuggling into India. They are looking at, one, whether this has happened earlier, before in the 50 visits that she did to and fro from Dubai. And two, are there politicians who she was in touch with, whether from Congress, BJP or any other party? Are there some netas who are watching this telecast right now and are worried if their name will also now come into this? Remember, her stepfather, DGP rank officer Ramachandra Rao also is currently in the dock, although he has distanced himself. He said, I know nothing about what exactly was happening. She lives separately and his reputation is being tarnished. Could he be questioned? Why was there a constable deployed for her? What gives her the VVIP entitlement edge to evade strict security checks at the airport? Sagai Raj is joining me on the phone line. Sagai, tell me more about how this is going to be looked at in layers, not just about one woman arrest, but possibly a larger nexus.
Absolutely. The investigation deepens into this entire gold smuggling scam, where the DRI as well as CBI, which has taken over the case, is looking into the larger aspect of this particular case, where they believe that the syndicate might be bigger in this entire smuggling racket, because she is a DGP rank level officer's daughter and she has very good political as well as police officer connection. And they have also seized the mobile phone as well as laptop, and they are checking her WhatsApp conversation as well as the calls which she had made continuously to many people. And those calls are the calls which have been made to the previous government ministers as well as the sitting government ministers. So they have to scrutinize who are the people who are involved in this and what is the connection with all those politicians, whether there is any kind of association of these politicians as well as the police officers who are involved in this gold smuggling racket.
Tell us also about the tightened security at the airport. What do you think is the reason? How is that being done right now? Sagai.
So after the case of Rania Rao, now the security at airport has been tightened. In fact, when it comes to the VIP protocol, there were protocol which has been followed by the police officers, but now the VVIP and VIP protocol is given only for the politicians and VIPs, and there is no protocol procedure which is being followed for the family members or the children in the airport. After Rania Rao gold smuggling case, everything seems to be easy, and there is a high security alert in the entire airport.
All right, keep tracking all the latest on this, Sagai, because this also, remember, raises a question of who were at the international airport's entry and exit points, and were they in any way involved in helping these criminals get away. This has brought in a huge gold smuggling case and an investigation that's intensifying. CBI has launched a probe now into not only Rania Rao's arrest, over 14 kilograms of gold, specifically gold bars, that have been seized by the agencies. But political links could be under the radar. Many are saying that she received certain land of about 12 acres in the previous BJP government when Basavaraj Bommai was the chief minister, and therefore could there be political links that she has who helped her in any way in the gold smuggling case? The actress allegedly owned 3 business firms. Strong political ties are being seen in Karnataka. One of them granted land by the previous government. This was in 2022 or 23. While Mantris, Netas and Cops' phone numbers have been found on her contact list, how many was she in touch with, and did she contact them recently, especially when she realized trouble is escalating for her? BJP is alleging a Congress link to the smuggling probe, claiming an influential link to the actress. BJP is likely to raise this issue in the Karnataka Assembly too.